Don't kill me.
What's up guys, welcome back to the Shelby Lifestyle. Today we're doing another reaction video. My sister has been in a reaction video, a bunch of my friends have, but one person who has never seen this car before is my grandmother. So I'm gonna go run up to her house and see what she thinks. Okay guys, here we are, we just arrived. I'm gonna go ring the doorbell and let's get to it.
He's not gonna do that to me. He knows I don't need a heart attack before Christmas. After Christmas, okay.
You lock it in just like that.
Except we're not on a track. And what is this here?
Yeah.
I don't have my makeup on.
No, don't worry. But my goal is I'm trying to get the impressions of all my friends and relatives, what they think about this car. There we go. Harnesses. It feels tight, doesn't it? Feel kind of tight on you or no?
No, it feels good, like
Feels
I'm
good?
going on a ride at Disneyland.
Well, that's true, isn't it? So, this is quiet mode. Heads up display. Sorry, get out of here. It rides pretty nicely, I think, doesn't it? It's soft. The seats are pretty comfy, aren't they? Or are they too hard? Do you like the seats?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is perfect.
Yeah?
This is really nice.
Is this your first time in a Mustang?
No, we had a Mustang.
Oh, you
back
did?
in 1960.
Oh my gosh!
I would, if we had that today, you know how much that'd have been worth.
Oh, yeah, totally. The turn radius is not the best. As you can see, it's a stick shift manual only. Yeah, sounds pretty unique, I think. Probably so confused right now.
It's making more noise than it is really traffic.
It can make noise. It can definitely make noise.
No.
So you said you like the car?
Yes, I like the car.
You like it?
Don't you have to replace your tires
Yep,
when
I
you do that?
Tire pressure's right there.
Wow.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. He's a very nice person.
Oh my God, you're doing this on a video thing?
Yeah, you knew the entire time.
Well, my grandson is the greatest entrepreneur ever.
So I don't think many people can have their grandma come in a car with them and do donuts with them. You can tell me anyone that does that. You know, it's fun. It's a fun thing.
And I want to go again, and that's why I'm saying I think it's so wonderful.
Can you reach the side button on the camera?
No, that was a trick.
If you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, subscribe for much more of the Shelby Lifestyle. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, and I'll see all of you in the next episode.